The next part I want to constrain is the cab front. Again, constrain, mate. I want to pick up the front of the cab to the back of the boiler. Now that's noticed it's spun it around and it's sitting rather incorrect, so I can mate the bottom of the cab to the bottom or the top of the base. Now you'll notice that it's sitting off center. So to make it central, I flush the two edges and offset them, this time 5mm. Next is the cab sides, these two small parts here, and they get constrained in a similar manner. I mate the long edge to the back of the cab, and I mate the base to the base of the train. And lastly, I make sure that the edges are flush. No offset this time. I can spin around and do the same with the other cab side. I'm using F4 button to help me rotate and move around the drawing.